Say hi. We have a new bathroom. Okay. Hi guys, I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be tie-dye bleaching or bleach tie-dyeing my clothes, which is something that I've seen on YouTube and on TikTok a lot lately. I have my bucket of clothes right here. This is pretty simple. All you need is bleach and water, and some people use a spray bottle, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use a cup to mix my bleach solution. So I'm not gonna do too many clothes because I've not done this before, so I don't wanna ruin all my clothes if it doesn't turn out well. So I picked out a few things that I thought would go well for this. They're mostly things that I don't wear. So the items we are working with today, this large gata shirt. Literally my dad gave it to me because he was like, I'm never gonna wear this, so I thought this would be cool. Oh, also for this kind of project, I think it's best to use non-synthetic fabrics, so anything cotton will work, but polyester will not work. I also have these joggers that are kind of ugly. They're pretty old and they have a lot of like lint on it. I'm gonna do that. And then I have a ton of t-shirts from career fairs, so I'm just gonna take a few of them. There's this one that says, I heart math. I have this one, and a lot of tutorials say not to use light colors, but I still I wouldn't wear this. So I'm gonna crop it and then tie-dye it, and then hopefully it turns out like something that I wear. And then the next one is just a standard red t-shirt. And the last thing is this beanie. I don't know whether or not it's synthetic fabric. There's no tag on it, so I'm gonna hope it's not because I really would like for this to turn out cute. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is my bucket of stuff. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just randomly crumple it up and do this, keeping it flat. And then I'm gonna take my rubber band and wrap it around the shirt. And I really hope this works out because I have very high hopes for how this will turn out. Now for the pants, I'm just gonna go in and scrunch it up like this and tie the first leg, and then go ahead in with the second leg. I'm actually going to show you guys two different ways that you can do this if you don't want to do it randomly. If you want to make the tie-dye kind of spiral out, then all you can do is start from the middle or wherever you want your spiral to be and start twisting like so. And then you want to tie up your spiral into 8 quadrants. So you will need 4 rubber bands. And then you will end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the way that you bleach this one is you want to take a squeeze bottle and then just pour bleach on every other quadrant. The other way that I saw online, if you want kind of straight down patterns for your tie-dye, is you can take the shirt or whatever clothing item you're working on and just roll it up. Then you want to go ahead and partition it with your rubber bands. And then again, you will only bleach certain sections. So if you want the line of bleach down this area, then you just pour bleach here. Yeah, so those are 2 other ways that you can tie-dye your clothing, but I'm just gonna stick with the random method and see where we get. Before I scrunch up this one, I'm just gonna crop it because it's really long. Okay, so now we have our cute cropped shirt. And I know I just folded this, but I kind of want to crop this one too because I know I wouldn't wear it without. For this last one, I do want to try the line method. So let's just fold it like so. I have a feeling it's not going to turn out as well as I want it to, but we shall try. I don't even know what I'm doing right now, but I'm just going to do this. And hopefully it turns out to be something. And now for the hat. So now we have this pile of stuff and I'm excited. I have this tub that I'm gonna throw everything into and then we can just bleach inside of this tub. Okay, those are all my items and let's do this. So I have this Clorox bleach right here. This was a birthday present for my 18th birthday from my friends. Don't ask me why. But you can use liquid bleach or the gel kind, which I've seen some people use, or any other brand of bleach. I think they all work. Okay, first thing I'm doing is just putting on the gloves because safety first. I'm just gonna do this in my tub now. If you have a water bottle, you can basically poke a hole through the cap and then fill up the bottle with 50% water. So for the solution, you can use 50-50 water to bleach. I heard that works, but if you don't want to dilute it, you can also just use 100% bleach. And I'm just going to take my bleach and fill it up. I'm just going to go ahead and just pour it randomly. I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flip it. I still have some leftover bleach. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna randomly do these pieces of fabric in case I ever need it. So I'm just gonna let that sit and develop. I think some of them are starting to bleach really well and then others might be synthetic, so that's why nothing's happening. But yeah, I'm gonna come back and check this in 10 minutes and see how it is and then we can wash it out. Okay guys, so I think some of them are ready, so I'm just gonna start off and unfold the ones that are ready and start rinsing it in the shower. Okay, hi guys, it is like late at night now, but all of my stuff is out of the dryer and this is what the shirt looks like for the Geico. I actually really like it, but it looks a little bit empty right here, but otherwise that's really cool. And this turned out like how I wanted it to. And then this texture is so cool, like wow. And then the pants, I don't know how. Okay, so here are the pants. They are equally as cool, but I just wish that the texture or like the color came out a little bit more similar so it could be kind of like a set. But yeah, this is what we got and this is what we're working with. Also, I apologize about this weird angle we have here, but I have a pretty small bathroom and I'm learning to use space. This is the next one. This is how the top turned out for the blue one. I'm kind of sad because it shrank in the wash, so it's very like short now. And yeah, so if I lift up my arms, it's gonna show the boobies. But I really, really like the pattern for this one. And I think it's really cute. Okay, here's the other crop shirt. And yeah, this is leftover fabric that I'm just gonna make into a headband or something. So that's the full outfit, but yeah. So last thing, I did keep the other piece of fabric from the crop top, and so I'll make this into a headband too, because that kind of looks cute. Oh, sweaty. Okay, and then last thing, these are the failures. This did not really take the bleach very well. I left the bleach on for this for the longest amount of time, so, and then this is definitely synthetic fabric because nothing happened. It's not bleached. But yeah, here's my ugly outfit for this. Definitely didn't do much. Okay guys, that is the video for today. My cat and I say bye. But yeah, if you guys like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for all the support. It means a lot to me, and I hope you guys are safe and well right now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace.